The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. Bree and I are in Pleasant View today. We're at Stutzman's in their shipping and receiving area with Ben Miller, talking about starter plants. Ben, great to see you today.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, so what do we need to know about these starter plants?
This is an incredibly exciting time for you. Obviously we have a passion for what we do, but I'd just like to show the process kind of from the beginning when the plants arrive with us. We do seed some material, but we also have specialty producers that we ship in different stuff. These trays here each have 288 plants in them. Oh my God.
Wow.
And this right here, by the way, is a tomato. And I don't know if you can kind of see the roots with this, but this would be transplanted into either a 6-pack or a pack that would have maybe 36, more of the individual size. Another one is just probably our #1 bedding plants that go into our 6-pack, which we always have that flat sail thing, is the vinca.
Oh,
and
the vinca.
Vinca is a very temperamental to produce from seedling. It's because it's got to have a lot of heat.
Okay.
So to have bottom heat, when I say bottom heat, under the trays are where the roots stay really nice and warm. They come in like this. We transplant it through our robot, which you guys have seen that, and we'll show more of that.
Yeah.
But the vinca is probably our #1 heat-loving, heat-tolerant plant for Kansas. That we'll have that on through the summer months also. This one, also very much in that same line, is the rose moss or portulaca.
Okay.
And they actually have a couple different plants in it, so it's going to really be a nice bushy one. Very prolific in its flower. It's daytime sensitive or light sensitive, that by evening the flowers typically close up, and that's the one drawback with it, but they really perform very well. This is the sweet potato plant. And I've got 2 different ones here. The more chartreuse color. This particular one here was the original sweet potato plant that came out. It's called Marguerite, and it's a monster. It literally can take over things, and so we've also got varieties that we refer to as a little bit better behaved in that they play better with other plants in a container. And this one here is the dark leaf version of that. These will be planted into a 4.5-inch pot or into our patio planters. Coleus, and you were wondering, where does that name come from? We don't know.
We don't know? Did you make it up?
No. Coleus is primarily a leaf plant in a lot of different varieties with different colors, different color schemes that you might have in your patio planter that just do very, very well. And of course, the vegetatively reproduced petunias, they come to us because they've been grown with high pressure sodium lights. Some of them will have some buds on, but for a petunia to bloom, it has to have at least 12 hours, technically 12 hours of daylight.
Yeah, it's so incredible because we get to see the entire process from the starter plant to when they end up in garden center.
It's coming up. We're excited. Thanks for being with us today, Ben.
Thank you.
Yep, we have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzman's, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's. This is our promise to you.